Here we're going to show you the end result of a little custom family. We're going to build a piece of mechanical equipment with some parameters and stuff. So let's just have a look at the end result of what we'll build in this little mini series. Here's a piece of equipment. If you hover over it, it'll tell you it's mechanical equipment. So if you turn mechanical equipment off or make any visual changes, it'll adapt accordingly. If I look in there, this little piece of equipment has connectors on there. It has hydronic supply and return. We can pull pipes off of there. So for dimensions, let's just flex this and go depth. Let's change this to say 3 feet deep and 5 feet tall and 3 feet wide. There it goes. And then the connectors are going to stay to the right, and the above finished floor is set to be 3 feet. So I can set that to be 4 feet or up to 5 feet or 4'6" and move those connectors up. So I can position the connectors and the size of the equipment, which is really nice. And then I can right click on this connector and just say draw pipe, and it'll automatically go onto the right system. So I can pick on there and then, drop it down to, a foot off the ground or something like that. And then, go around the corner and hit escape, pick on here, right click on that connector, draw pipe, come off of there, click down here, maybe go the other way, go down here, use my shift key, and then maybe drop down to, 2 feet, and then, come around the corner, wherever I happen to go on there. Escape. So, a piece of equipment with some pipe connectors and some parameters to flex the size and the positioning of where those connectors are. In this case, I've predetermined the service type on these hydronic, and I can also change the material on this piece of equipment. I can go into here, and just to be more drastic, I can pick something a little more colorful, click out and change this to be shaded, and then I'll see that in full color. So material as well with the element, and this is just basic getting started. This could be a VAV unit or a boiler or a hot water tank or a pump or any sort of piece of equipment with any sort of connectors, air connectors, electrical connectors, pipe connectors.